In this tutorial, we will see hyperlink. How to give hyperlink. First, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is nothing but making a connection from one place to another. Here I have two names, Rushika and Kritika. And I have two different sheets, Kritika and Rushika, which are blank. And in sheet 2, I have given Rushika and Kritika. Now I'm trying to give a hyperlink. So for example, I'm typing go to Rushika sheet, and for the below I'll say go to Kritika sheet. Now I have to give a hyperlink from Rushika to Rushika sheet and from Kritika's row to Kritika's sheet. Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. First, select the cell, then with right click, down the below you will see hyperlink. Then you will onto the left hand side of the window pane, you will see 4 options. Place in this document. So I have created 2 separate new worksheets, Rushika, Kritika. So that is why here we can see the worksheet names, Rushika. So for Rushika, I am selecting Rushika and then just simply clicking OK. And again for Kritika, now I will do this by using the keyboard. So for using the keyboard, the shortcut is Control K. Control K is the shortcut for creating the hyperlink. So now for Kritika, I will select Kritika. I am done by giving the hyperlink. So if I click on the link, it will take me to Rushika sheet. If I am clicking on Kritika, observe friends, I am in sheet 2 and it will directly take me to Kritika. So this is the use of hyperlink. And one tip I would like to give you all here is, normally assume if your browser is open, then you can directly open any website you would like to go. But now as my browser is closed and I would like to use Google, so I'll just type www.google.com. It's not only Google, if you keep anything with the extension www.abcd.com or abcd.com, already I've given abcd. Now www.123.com. so when we'll use the www and extension, from there we can directly go just with a single click. A new window gets open. This is how the hyperlinks are created. And for easy way, if your browser is not open, you can type in your Excel, then from there you can directly access.